Hey, it's Jenna here from Sip by Go, and today I'm going to show you how to toast bread on grill pans on the stove. And with these tips, you can make grill pan crostini toast for dips, spreads, bread sides, and hummus boards. Let me show you how to make it really quick. So you can use a grill pan, cast iron skillet, or frying pan on the stove. So you just set it to medium or medium-high heat, and you can either brush the olive oil directly on the bread or you can put it on the pan. After you add the olive oil, you mix together garlic powder and salt and sprinkle salt and garlic powder on the bread to season it. And then just go ahead and flip the bread slices in the pan every 1 to 2 minutes using tongs until they are browned to like golden brown and have grill marks if you're using a grill pan. Continue flipping as desired. The exact minutes per side will vary. So remove toasted bread from grill pan as they turn brown to your liking. Now, I love these for serving with hummus platters or for serving with some nice like tomato sauce based pasta dish to slurp up all of that sauce. So this is a really easy recipe, and I think that you'll find a lot of reasons to use it. Let me show you the easy basil hummus that can go right with it. You have to check out my new basil hummus recipe. It is so delicious. It makes a really great appetizer for parties. It's also great for a work from home lunch or to add something to a salad for dinner. You toast walnuts, you roast garlic in olive oil, and you add a whole lot of basil in there, which makes it really tasty and delicious. Check out the recipe for this at sipbytego.com. And for more delicious recipes, make sure to subscribe to the Sip Bite to Go channel on YouTube. I have so many delicious recipes heading your way. Alright, well now you should be a total rock star when it comes to how to toast bread in pan, so you can make your own grill pan crostini. Well, if you learned anything new, please give this video a like, and until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!